Hey besties, let's talk savings challenges. I'm going to be sharing with you all the saving challenges that I will be doing in 2024. If you need some ideas or you need a little bit of information about what type of saving challenges to choose and a few resources, then just go ahead and stay tuned. If you are new here, my name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel I talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If you are looking to win in 2024 in your finances, then I highly encourage you to smash that subscribe button. Make sure that your notification bell is on, and so that you know anytime that I do upload a new video. If you are a bestie to the channel, tried, true, and loyal, thank you guys so much for coming back. If everyone can please smash the like button, that would be amazing. Let's get into it. My saving challenges for 2024 will be very minimal because my main goal, if you guys hadn't checked that video out, I did my goals for 2024, and my main goal is to pay off debt. I am currently on a debt-free journey, and because of that, I will be hyper focused on paying off debt, saving money as well, but mainly focus on paying off debt. So I did set a savings goal for myself for next year. I wanted to put $5,000 in my emergency fund, and then I said that I wanted to save for Christmas. So let me show you guys those goals. So here you will see that I have a savings goal of $5,000 in my emergency fund. I would like to save sinking funds and then save for Christmas. This is actually $3,000. I did make a change to it because I thought that after I started doing like some calculations, $5,000 was a little bit too steep with me being able to, or with me paying off debt. Now, as I am going throughout the year and I am assessing everything, in the event that I pay off debt, let's just say I'm able to pay it off in 1 month, praise God, then I can then start to aggressively save, and this will change, okay? But for right now, I am going to start with $3,000 saved in the emergency fund because that's a little bit more realistic. Just make sure when you are setting goals for yourself that you're always setting goals that are realistic, that they can happen. Although not super easy. This is going to stretch me. It's not going to be completely easy. So let's go ahead and talk about how I am going to save for these two things. So now we're going to talk about how I'm going to save $3,000 for my emergency fund and how I'm going to save for Christmas and the holidays. I am attaching these goals to a savings challenge just to make it a little bit more fun and exciting. So this is a savings challenge binder that I created for myself a couple of years ago. So I just kind of took it out of retirement to continue using it. And I'm really trying my best to save money and not just, purchase a whole lot of stuff. Which, I was talking to one of the besties in the comments on another video, and it was like, this stuff can really add up. So I'm just going to be using what I have, and I made this myself. Okay, I got this binder, this A6 binder from Amazon, and these are the ones that I used to sell. So I still have a couple left, and so this is what I'm using. And I just have some charms here that I got off of Amazon, I believe. And I just have a dashboard. This is really old. I think I got it from a binder that I had at Michael's, or bought at Michael's, and it just says make great things happen. And this was a sticker that I had. I think it was from Gold Mining Cocoa, and all I did was laminated the sticker. That's it. And then so I just put it in here to make it, cute. And then this is just a vellum piece of paper that I cut to size. And this is just a Notique dashboard that I got from Notique when I had purchased something from them. So I'll just put that in here. And then I just created this savings word and I just put it on, I just laminated it. And you know, that was it. And then I have another vellum sheet of paper here. Now this I did get off of Pinterest. It is a free downloadable, and I'll have the link in the description if you're looking for it. But all I did was I sized it, printed it down, and I printed it on my printer, and then I just laminated it here. So here it says choose a circle every week, save the amount and color in. So like I said, it's going to be a stretch goal for me. And everything that I save, I'll put it in a specific envelope during the month that I'm saving it. So I created these envelopes as well a while ago. And so everything that I save in January will go in here. February will go in here, March, and so forth. So I only have it 6 months at a time because it was too much to put them all in here. And then I will be using this. This is something that I got from Pink X Budgets. I'm not sure if you guys remember her, but I haven't seen her here on the tube lately, but hopefully she does come back. I got the saving challenge from her years ago, and I think we did a collab or something like that. And I was using it, and I, you know, want to use it again. It's still keeping up, and it's not broke. This is about 1,700 bucks, I believe. So I need to erase this, but everything in January I will be saving here, February here, and so forth. And then I'm just gonna put the money in this envelope. So these envelopes are specific to the 3,000 in 1 year, and then this envelope is specific to the 52-week savings, and this is the savings challenge that I'm going to use for Christmas. This savings challenge I'm going to use to put in my emergency fund. My emergency fund is for bills and expenses in case anything tragic happens. So I'm just putting 3,000 in there, but I will continue to save as I will be on a journey to save 3 to 6 to 9 to 12 months of living expenses in the event that something happens and I lose my primary income. Those are the only two saving challenges that I'm going to be focusing on, because like I stated before, my main goal is to pay off debt. Once I pay off debt, then I will be able to contribute more money to savings. So as it relates to the resources, there are tons of people here on YouTube who sell cash envelopes. They sell savings challenges, and you can visit them and you can purchase your desired cash envelope or savings challenge from them. I don't have any off the top of my head. I mean, I know that Salisa Beautifully Me and You, she sells them. I know Tina sells them, A Pink Cloth Life. I also know that a planned, Janika, a planned, oh my God, girl, I'm so sorry. And I'm gonna put everybody up here, but I will put down in my description some channels that you can watch and some shops that you can go to who sell savings challenges, just to give you guys some of those resources. But then if you are looking for any free resources, you can always look on Pinterest and you can download a free printable like I did here. But then you can also just look at some that you like. I know that there's one on TikTok that's floating around. It's the $5,000 savings challenge, and it's like this big old booklet. I know Baddies and Budgets has some as well. So you just have to pick what's best for you. One that you like. I know SKS has some as well, which is so Krafty Sanaa. So there's tons of challenges out there. But for the free ones, you can always visit Pinterest. You can download You don't even have to put it in this. You can have it on a regular sheet of paper this size, and you can just use it and pencil it in. Don't make it so complicated to where you never even start. I know that there are a lot of channels. There's just a lot of noise in this space. So sometimes it's really hard for you to really determine what you want to do because it's just so much and it's overwhelming. Just find something that's simple and easy for you, that is true to your budget, something that you know that you can do. I would say make sure that you print out your goals so that you know what your priorities are, and then go from there. But that is pretty much it for this video, guys. Like I said, I'm only doing 2 saving challenges. If I'm unable to contribute to those saving challenges at that particular week, I won't do it, and I'll just wait until I can. It's not gonna be a big deal. But as you are following me on my journey, if you will be, then you will see how I'm, making it happen or not making it happen. But like I said, my first and foremost goal is to pay off this debt so that I can put more money to the saving challenges, okay? But I want to make sure that I am saving money at the same time as paying off debt. So if you have any questions, please leave them down in the description. And make sure that you guys check out all the videos that I have that's, showing me set up for 2024. If you didn't catch the video that I posted yesterday, my 2024 budget binder setup, please make sure you set that up. I'm still waiting for another budget binder from Jessica Ann. My heart was broken. It shipped and I never got it, but we're working through it. That's going to be my business budget binder, and I cannot wait to get that binder. I'm gonna get it, but that's gonna be a totally different video. I don't put both of my budgets together. I have one for personal and one for business and expenses. So I'm still waiting for that to come. Once it does come, then I will be doing a video for you guys on that system as well. But I think that is pretty much it. I will see you guys in the next video. If you made it to the end, put a little piggy bank in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.